Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Vet by Gagyan. So this video we will discuss about the website www.vetbygagyan.com. It is a new website and we create it for you only so that you can get easy way to study as well as you get maximum output in your exams. So I will quickly overview the website. When you just search www.vetbygagyan.com, so this will become homepage and you can see the content, our slogan. Also you can read about as much as you can, and these are the columns first year and second year. Both the columns are made for you. You can just go through the subject wise material as well as many more things. So this is our scripts, like every vet will stand with them. So this is the all about the scripts. You can read it out and make it worthful, that how much you like it, and please tell in comment section how much you like this scripts. So this is the subscribe. You can get go through the channel YouTube and you can watch out our videos. So this is our importance of veterinary field. So these are some of the scripts. Importance of poultry. So you can check it out, all this matter. So that's going on. Importance of the cattle, diversity of animal species. So this is our contact where you can get in touch with us. Just click on social icons like YouTube, Instagram, Telegram channel, Telegram group and Quora button. So you will just click on this and join with us in another handles. So we will start with first year the syllabus. We will first open livestock production management page. Here you can find the book section, exam paper, solution of papers, Basant based book also available here, and Thomas and Sastry whole book is available here. You can check it out and download it, and you can see the notes section where unit wise notes are provided, important points and facts where we will provide you important points which will helpful in your exams, practical portions also you can see we will providing you. So this will going to be very helpful, so you just go through it. And next we will talk about quiz practice where you can practice the quizzes. So it will be very beneficial, and any file you find which is protected, the answer will be VBKG. So it is very useful, you can go through it. So this will be the LPM. Now we will going to show you about veterinary physiology. So this is also very going to be amazing. Any file you got protected, the answer will be capital VBKG. So don't bother about the passwords, it is already mentioned in the website. You can download book of veterinary physiology, and all the material which is same columns are made as per the 3 subjects of first year. You can do quiz practice also. So it is very going to be very helpful for you. So this is about the veterinary physiology page. So you must go through it and explore the content. Now we're going to show you about veterinary anatomy. So veterinary anatomy is more important in first year, so you must go through it. So you will find the books, the systematic arrangement of group books also present, and it is very high quality books, so you can easily get benefited. And about this notes and PDFs files also available, all the types of important points and facts. Practical portion is also present, and for your basic knowledge, how much you learn, you can attempt quiz practices. So this is going to be very helpful in exams also. So now we are going to show you about second year syllabus. So there are total 5 subjects. So you can go through any subject, you will find many more important and many things in the respective subject page. So we are just opening veterinary pathology. You can find books, you can download any book, it is available here, and exam papers are also present. Notes is properly arranged, and topic wise PDFs, it will going to help you very much. Topic wise PDF is available, you can just go through every PDF and learn as much as possible. So this is the veterinary pathology page. So now we are going to show you another page of another subject of second year. So just go through it, like animal nutrition. So this is also a great subject, you must go through it. So animal nutrition, you will find the book section where you can get books. Exam papers are also available, notes are also present, topic wise PDF you can see, you can easily access it out, and it will going to be very much helpful. So now a great news for all of you, we are providing you a creative zone. What is about creative zone? Creative zone is very much helpful for you for easy learning, and very much it will going to help you. So you will find creative stickers for easy learning. Just click on any link, you will directly directed to the Stickerly app. So you get the stickers and it will be installed in your WhatsApp. So from where you can easily learn the stickers way format of knowledge. So now we are going to show you about Vet Encyclopedia PDFs, where the various external topics related to the veterinary, but it's not to teach in the courses, but you have to know about it, we will going to provide you here. So you can get it from this. Vet Bhai Ka Gyan is going to show you every aspect of the studies in easy and accessible format. So you can download it and you can store and learn it as properly as you can. Mnemonics are also present, like you can get easily access to the mnemonics also. Mnemonics tricks and tips learning for easy way purpose, we will going to upload many more. So tips and tricks to learn cloudy swelling, so it will going to helpful for you. Just CAP, so cap in cloudy days we wear cap. So you can easily learn the other names, cellular swelling, albuminous swelling or parenchymatous swelling. So it will going to be help you for easy learning purposes. So one more zones are present, like creative posters. You can access creative posters, and amazing facts are related to every animal, it is present here. You can check it out. So this is the creative zone. Hope you like all this. Please write in comment section which zone is your best zone you like the most. Now we are going to show you quiz zone. In quiz zone you will see many quizzes, like first year practice quizzes, all subject included, all subject, anatomy, LPM, physiology included. You can just click in out and just check your memory about all the subjects easily. It will be going to helpful in your exam purpose also. Extra knowledge quizzes also present, where you can find easy GK questions. It will going to help you very much. GK questions will help you in your ICAR exam or many more exams. GK questions are going to be help you. You can easily get these GK questions from here. And now we are talking about other. So what will it contain? It will contain general knowledge, like PDF of general knowledge you can get easily, and you will know about Department of Veterinary. It is easily for you to recognize all this, and YouTube playlist from where you can be directed directly to our channel, where you can see systematic videos of our respective playlists. So you can go through it. It will going to be amazing experience for our website. Now let's come to home again. If any query, anything you want that it must be get benefited, you just go through the contact us page and just write the message and tell us how was your experience about this website. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please share it as much as possible so that everyone get benefited and learn properly. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.